wanna vibe, that's a vibe. Yeah, that's a vibe. It's a vibe, and that's a vibe. Yeah, that's a vibe. Oh, it's a vibe, and that's a vibe. Yeah, that's a vibe. She wanna vibe, that's a vibe. Yeah.
What's up, guys? Back at the shop for another video. Not really that much though, because some recent events have happened here. Somebody unfortunately broke into our shop and stole about $4,000 worth of tools. You know, shit I had here and work stuff as well. You know, my snap-on guns, all that. You know, it sucks somebody actually did that, but who knows who it could have been. We have an idea of who, you know, made a police report, everything, but I mean, there's nothing else we can do as of now. Like, you know, somebody actually pried open that door and I guess was able to take, I mean, it's probably somebody that just randomly just selected our shop, because if it was somebody that knew what was in here, they would have took, you know, various parts of the car or the car to begin with, you know, but they only took tools. So, you know, I think it was the first thing they saw in here. You know, because I have, you know, expensive audio system just laying around, you know, so it's probably somebody that didn't know about the cars being here, or just didn't know regular what they were looking for, you know. So it could have been a random breaking and entering, or, you know. But so now I'm just basically down to hand tools, which sucks. You know, we might be relocating, not sure yet, but as of now, we're down to, like, we're trying to take every security measure we can. You know, we might be getting cameras if we do stay here, and we're getting a new door because they completely messed that one up. So yeah, but let me show you a little bit about the car. As for the car, I did work on it a little bit. You know, I got that plate there, my relays mounted, fuse box, and I got it down to just one harness that goes there, and then I got my Street Faction heel plates to hide my fucked up paint. But I think right now I might put in my FRS dash. I gotta fit that up again. I forgot how it went on, and I gotta mock it up once again so I can know where I can mount the battery inside the dash, or relocate it in the back. Before it was there, where that strap is, but that was for the little battery. So now I might be doing a bigger excess powered battery, or maybe another Optima. We'll see. But I guess let's go for that. Boy, this shit dusty. Jesus Christ, look at that fucking dusty, boys. Well, if you guys didn't know, I have a FRS dash in it. I don't know if I showed it in the disassembly videos, but now you guys can see. I'm gonna clean it off, find the mounts I had for it if I can find them, and put it back in. comes apart, I remember now. Alright, so as you can see, it's cut up quite a lot. All this here, obviously the shape of it was cut all the way in the back here too. The speaker vents cut for the roll cage, and I have the trim that goes here so that it follows the same shape, so when it's in the car you don't even see like it's trimmed. Oh, here goes one of the brackets still on there, so that's good. I don't remember where that was. So I'm gonna clean it up a little bit more and I'm gonna throw it in again. Oh, gang gang. Jesus Christ. Some AC vents from my ice cold AC. There's a mount that goes there, but I mean, I'd have to make it again because I fucking lost it. That's why it's a little shaky there. But I don't have a fucking drill because they stole it. So for now, oh, what the fuck? And this boo-boo ass fucking carbon fiber wrap. That comes from factory. Got bitches here to lick it off. Free bills, free bills, free bills. One of the moment of truth. Alright, so I thought I was going to take this off and paint it, but I don't have the socket to take the hub off and then pull it off and then slide this off. I think that's the only way it comes out. But the dash is in. I got another, it's actually really sturdy, just needs one more bracket. But clearance down there fits. Show you guys. Barely see the plate behind it. Glove box still works. I just gotta get side pieces there, and I have those. I just need to get the one that goes around that covers that whole thing. And yeah, rewire the whole audio bullshit. But yeah, it looks good, mocked up. Oh man, that was not there. As you can see, look at the clearance with the door. You can't really see. Doesn't even hit. So with stock door panels, that dash is a no-go unless you cut your door panels, which would look hideous. So later on I'm gonna get door panels from Street Faction to cover up that. Don't need them now. My stand just fell. Sweet. But I mean, that's it for today. You guys gotta see something. You know, FRS-/BRZ- inside a 240. It's complicated, but it's not complicated. Once you start getting into it, it's practically easy. Fits pretty good. Fits really nice actually. And if you have all the pieces, I got a really good deal on the dash, and I seen it done. And to get a new dash for a regular S13, I'm sorry, was ridiculously like $400. And believe it or not, I got such a really good deal. I didn't even pay half of that for this with all the pieces, interior glove box. If you go on eBay and you try to buy just a dash, it's, I believe, like $350 or something like that, with no pieces, and each other like little piece costs like 30 bucks there, 50 bucks there. So I got a really good deal. So I'm done for today. I promise I will begin to start uploading more now that I have some time on my hands. I really got to get this car done. And now that we had that break-in, you know, I really don't feel confident anymore leaving here, you know. But we're gonna deck this place down in security if we decide to stay here. And hopefully it doesn't happen again. Hopefully the guy's not dumb enough to strike twice in the same place. I don't know. But that's it for today. So comment, subscribe, like the video, share it. See you guys.